Hi, and happy holidays. Today, I wanted to show you an example of how I use music for self-development. I know I've been singing a lot of songs and writing songs with you and um, talking about different types of themes. The next step of that is to actually have these songs stuck in your head or think about the lyrics when we're going through a challenging time or something that might not necessarily be helping us, and to shift out of that. Or, even if we're in a good state, how do we elevate that even more? There's lots of uses for songs, but the one I wanted to talk about today was to use it to be more gentle on ourselves, so to catch ourselves with the negative talk and then shift it. So, for example, today, I'm standing in my office now. I haven't been here for a while with you guys because, again, it's a mess. You might have seen that video. Let's see if I can link to it, where I talked about my messy office and how I've been trying to keep it clean, but I noticed that I fell into the same pattern again because I love fabric and I can't get rid of things that are broken and I want to fix them, and especially the natural fibers. I just love, love, love. And then I've got my paintings, and then there's like stuff on the floor and papers because I love writing, and it's not a very inspiring place to create because it feels cluttered and it feels distracting. And so what I felt was, oh, Suzan, you did it again. And then, here's where the lyrics came in. I realized, okay, I still love myself. I still accept myself. I just realized I was holding the phone covering the microphone. I hope you heard that. And I realized that I do love myself and I accept myself, and I love the type of person that I am, and I accept the type of person that I am. I have lots of hobbies. I have lots of interests. I'm a starter. I get really excited and get projects going, and I don't always finish them. If you're into human design, you might know manifesting generators, my type, that it's kind of like a personality energy type of a thing that talks about people who might not necessarily do things to see them through to the end or to master the skill, but just to use the excitement to use that energy up. And I fall into that category. So now that I see, okay, I've got like the videos and the singing, and that's kind of taken the center stage. And then in the work front, I've got the branding, and I've got the AI and the growth harmony thing that I've talked about too. This is okay. And this is just me, and I'm just going to reset, and I'm going to reprioritize, and it's not going to take a way, way long time like it did last time to clean it up. I'm just going to keep maintaining it. So for a reminder, for those of you who haven't heard that song in a while, it goes, I love myself, I accept myself. No, how does it even go? Shoot, how does it start? I love myself, I love myself, I love myself, I accept myself, I accept myself, I accept myself, I love myself, I love myself, I accept myself, I accept myself, I love myself, I accept myself, I completely love and accept myself. And I don't know what the rest of that song is going to be. Maybe that's it. But that one comes in my head a lot, and I think it's a good one. As I've talked about before, I do love myself a lot, but I don't always accept the way I act or the way I am or my tendencies or my habits or my natural, what I fall into, conditioning, I guess you might want to call it. So if you want to see how that might play out in your life, maybe there's an area where you're like beating yourself up about it, or you're feeling like, oh, I did it again, or maybe that thing that you do that bothers you is really a superpower that you have, that maybe that's just you're looking at it in a judgmental light and not necessarily seeing the gift of it. So maybe that's something you want to look at. But how can you love yourself? How can you accept yourself? And how can you use positive, uplifting songs to be nicer to yourself, be gentler to yourself, and get out of that like icky state and then back into productivity? I could have just sat here and wallowed in the mess and done something else, but now I'm just going to clean up and then get on to a really fun task. All right, have a wonderful day. Merry Christmas to those of you who celebrate it, and I'll see you soon.